For this portion, we're going to talk about stabilizing, leveling, and maintenance. Once you first get into your campsite, you're going to be deciding whether you need to level one side of the trailer or the other by means of driving up on blocks. And then you want to proceed to chock your wheels and then uncouple. At that point, then you're going to want to be able to locate your stabilizer jacks. And with this model, it happens to be electric, and others are manually cranked down by a crank handle such as this one. Once you've uncoupled, you're easily able to crank these down, and you might have to use a block underneath if it has soft soil to get a better footprint. But other than that, extend these down before proceeding to move your slide outs out. For the maintenance aspect of your stabilizer jacks, basically the only thing that you can be using or should be using is a form of lubricant, but best is, in this case, this is made by Protectol. This is a dry lube for your slide outs, but it can be used also on your stabilizer jacks. Dry graphite is ideal as it does not collect any unwanted dirt or debris to be able to pick up in your working mechanisms of your slide outs or your stabilizer jacks. You could use a silicone spray, but this one would work a little bit better. Now you want to be locating the worm gear here, or the shaft, and you can spray that entirely with a nice mist of dry graphite, and even in the nut on the back side, and also in the front, and any pivoting areas of your stabilizer jack to aid in a normal use. Other than that, any major mud or debris could be hosed off prior to doing this. Right now we're going to be talking about leveling our RV and the importance of it. Basically the first step, if you choose to, you could have an exterior mounted level mounted onto the fixture of the outside of the wall by the driver's side where you uncouple to give you your front to back level, and you can mount one on the front or the rear of your coach to give you your side to side. If you don't have those, in the shop environment we use just a handheld carpenter's level, which can be used, and there's a variety of different sizes of these. There's even the smaller ones that you can purchase that just throw inside on your fridge rack, usually located on any one of the available shelves to give you a level indication there. The reason we're usually concerned about leveling, not only for comfort, but and able to have the slide outs, if you have them, move appropriately, so there's no sag and there's no stress on any components. The other and very, very important portion is the operation of your fridge, where the fridge requires the RV to be level in order for the fridge to function properly. So for this demonstration we're going to be using a carpenter's level, and we're going to be placing it inside the fridge and locate the framing of your refrigerator, depending on the way it's installed, which angle you're looking for, but in this case this is a side wall, so we're going to be holding the level flat up against here to giving our side to side level indication, and then we're going to be holding it on this angle here so that we can check our front to back. And as long as the bubble is within the lines, you are good, but you have a minimum of 6 degrees front to back and 3 degrees side to side to work within. After that, everything should function as normal.